Today we'll talk about how can you shop for badges on your Plato app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then you come to your profile, then all you have to do, so you just click on this sign here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you come to this list and here can you select, so here can you swipe. Then when you find here badges and stickers here, just click on it. So then you click here on shop for badges and stickers, and here can you select any of this here. You click here on pay. So then here you select price and coins. Then you just click on it. Then you just switch into open video like this. Click here on uh, add here your credit or debit card. So then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.